My teeth were very bad because of the receding gums, but this remedy put my teeth as new. Inevitably, our mouth is part of our face, so it is in sight of all. That is why keeping it in good condition is crucial in order not to damage our image before others. On the other hand, our overall health depends greatly on our oral hygiene. This is why we have decided to talk to you about how to take care of your teeth and make it look radiant. As we all know, any infection or disease that affects our mouth is very uncomfortable. This can make even the simple act of eating very annoying and painful. So, when this happens, ingesting food ends up being torture. One of these problems is retraction of the gums. This problem is characterized by aesthetically affecting our smile. It consists of the discovery of the roots of our teeth. In other words, the gums rise more than normal, so the dental roots are left uncovered. In addition to that, we must also deal with oral infections and cavities. That is why we are recommended to visit our dentist regularly. Thus, we will be aware of what happens in our mouth and we can act to prevent the one that worsens. Of course, not everything depends on the dentist. We must also do our part. To do this, we must reduce the consumption of candies, chewing gum and any kind of candy. Now, we may brush after each meal, floss and mouthwash. Even so, chances are we will contract decay, gingivitis, and retraction of the gums. For these situations, we must use additional treatments like those that we will mention you next. Treatments to keep our mouth healthy. 1. Green tea. If we are in the habit of drinking a cup of green tea regularly, we can improve our oral health. 2. Sesame seed oil. Rinse your mouth with this oil for several minutes every day. As a result, we will improve the health of our gums. 3. Salvia. Sage tea can counteract the effects of gum retraction. To do this, you should take it regularly. 4. Yarrow. The juice of the branches, stem and leaves of this plant helps prevent bleeding of the gums and relieves toothache. This tree is also known as the tree strings, centenarian and willow grass. 5. Sumac. If you add sumac to your diet, in a short time you will stop suffering from retraction of gums.